Hey guys, what's up? This is Courtney21. Today I'm going to be showing you variables in Python and some basic math with it. So, pretty much what a variable is, it's something that you assign. So, if I want to go name equals Alex, print name1 equals Courtney, and then you go print, remember the print statement from tutorial 1, hi, I am, and then with the parentheses around hi and I am. Well, why it stops there is because it's going to go that, and then it's going to look for the variable name and name1. But you notice I put the parentheses around these two. Well, the reason the parentheses are up here and not down here is because it's defining what this variable is. Instead of having to print that, it's just a quicker way of doing it. And it's good for other things. So, I'll show you what this looks like when it runs. It's going to say, hi, I am Alex Courtney. Okay, that's what that's good for pretty much, is studying things like that. That's the only way I can really explain that, since it's for beginners, and that's the way I've understood it. Well, you can also add variables. What I mean by add variables, you can go num1 equals 5, and I'm doing this in interactive mode, num2 equals 5, and then I go num1, gotta put this around print, and then num1 plus num2. And then it's going to equal 10. Well, how do I get 10? It's because it takes num1, which is 5, num2 is 5, equals 5 too. Well, you notice I didn't put the parentheses around the 5 this time. That's because it's an integer. Integers don't use parentheses. It's the only way I can really explain that one. Now, as far as I meant by simple math, I can take, it's just basically 5, say I want to go 5 times 5. It's like a calculator, 25, okay? Well, if I want to do 5, say, divided by 3, just backslash divided by 3, and it's going to give you what's called a float. I'll go into floats here in the next few tutorials, but for now, I'll just do a brief example of a float. Is what a decimal is a float. Now, if I want to take 1.667 and just make it an integer, I go 5 divided by 3 with 2 double backslashes, and it's going to get 1 instead of 1.667. That's what an integer is. That's how you convert a float to an integer. I'll explain what those two are later on, just for now. Just bear with me, and that's what it does. Now, you can also subtract, add, and so forth. Like you saw here, I can do variables, and if I need to show you guys, I will, like now. 5 plus 3 is going to equal 8. And then if I want to subtract something, subtract, 3 for instance, it's going to equal 2. Well, I can also do this with variables. So if I want to go num1, well, actually I'm going to do score. So like if we're doing a game or something and it's going to equal, and you're going to collect points, let's go score equals 5 for example. I'm going to go print score, and then I'm going to go plus. Say you guys want to add 1 point to something. Okay, what that's going to do, sorry about that, I didn't mean to pop up right there. Oop. Sorry guys. There it goes. It's going to add that, and you go print, and then, or enter, and it's going to equal 6. Well, what it did is it took 5 and added 1 to it, equals 6. I'm going to show you something too. If you guys go into interactive mode and you hit enter, it's going to bring it down so I haven't retype it. Well, if I wanted to subtract this, make that take away 1 for hitting something or whatever, it's going to take away, it's going to make it 4. So that's pretty much what you can do. You can also multiply it and do certain things like that with it too. For now, just keep it simple. Now, if I wanted to do the power of something, like if I want to do power to, say, 3, 5 to the power 3. Also, typing 5 times 5 times 5 3 times, you just go double multiplication sign times 3. And you get 125. Show you that did multiplication right. I'll just do this, take away the 5 and just go 5 times 3, 15. So that's pretty much what that is. So that's your basic math. Now, one more thing for the division. If you want to get the remainder or something, since it doesn't show you, you'd go like this. You go 5 to the percent, and you use the percent sign, I know it's weird, but it's what it uses. 3. And it's going to give you the remainder of 2. That's how you get the percent, or that's how you get to the remainder of a division. So if you ever need that, that's what it's for. That's pretty much it, what I can show you for now. I think the next, like I said, the next tutorial, I'm going to be doing a guessing game, which I don't know if you guys are watching the other videos or books or something, or reading books, but it does do the guessing game. But it shows you how to do a lot of math using the greater than and less than value, but my main point of it is using user input. So the things I'm going to be typing in there, go ahead and bear with me. I'll explain it through as I go on in other tutorials. But for now, I am Courtney21, and I'm signing out. But before I do, it'd be nice if you guys go ahead and check out my brother's channel, The Other Person. He doesn't do Python, but what he does is he's doing, I guess, walkthroughs for Skyrim and other things, just helping him out. But for now, I am Courtney21, and I'm signing out. Bye.